Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to clear a TikTok inboxes to get an extra space for your phone. So the first thing you have to do, open your TikTok application and make sure that you're already logged in or signed in with the TikTok account that you used. And after that, you just need to take a look on these button features here. There are like 5 sections that you can use, and to visit the inboxes you just need to go into this inbox. And now you can just choose which inbox that you want to delete. Make sure it sometimes can be like the old messages or inboxes on your TikTok. So to delete it, you just need to go click the unboxed or the user, and after that you just need to slide into the left side, and there will be pop up the several options here, and then you just need to go click delete and confirm that you want to delete it. And you can do for the rest, just slide and delete, confirm, slide, delete and confirm, and so on and so on. And that is the way how to delete the inboxes on a TikTok. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel guys, and I'll see you for the next video.